there were also some superfoods. I used to start my day with cinnamon water. In the middle, I only drank dhania pani for a week. Then I had mint leaves water. I tried adding a lot of our kitchen superfoods. Sometimes at night, I used to have haldi pani. Sometimes I used to have ajwain plus water. So these are my...
You would only have that?
No, I used to have that after my dinner. And I used to have these things pre-breakfast. So I always tell all clients that, you know, diet yahan wahan ho jaye. Make sure that the superfoods you get, they are the ones that we follow.